How to make your webcam look better on OBS. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to be discussing how we can make our webcam look better on OBS Studio. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, first of all, if you have your webcam and then you'd like to make it look a bit different, you can choose to change the shape of it. I've already made a dedicated tutorial for that. You can apply some image mask, blending, and filters that you'd like to use. So you can select that first, and then you can right click on it, and here you should be able to set different sort of scaling options and whatever else you'd like to change. If you would like to apply some filters, you can select that particular webcam here, go to the filters tab. You can choose to click the plus icon, choose to crop, add a color key, add a chroma key if you want to make your background transparent. You can also choose to add an aspect ratio, and depending upon whatever else you like, you can customize those settings manually. This way you should be able to make your OBS webcam look better. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.